Sahanabhu to my tribe. So here I am with now pick a card reading for this is a timeless reading. Whenever you see it, you will get your answers. This is what Ma Kali wants to tell you. The messages that are coming from her, I am going to be expressing that. I am an intuitive person, I'm a medium. So I can perceive it's all intuitive and mediumship reading right now. What I'm doing, I'm taking in Ma Kali's energy and taking in all her messages, conveying it to you. So there are two piles here. One is a rose quartz and one is this orgonite. This is a clear quartz orgonite. So please choose one intuitively. You can pause the video for 2 minutes and choose and then take the messages. So, what Ma Kali wants to convey to you right now, whatever situation you are going through, you will get your answers today. So, this is pile 1 and this is pile 2. So, I'm starting with the rose quartz. Pile 1, what I feel is whoever has chosen rose quartz over here, what I feel is intuitively, you all have, there is a masculine and feminine in our body. So, that is related to the father and the mother, okay, your father and your mother, okay, there is some kind of imbalance over there, and Ma Kali is strongly telling you that don't be so closed, don't be so just in your mind, learn to take action. That is what she's saying. New doors opening for you, new beginnings for you, there is a completion, there is something that is going to majorly change in your life positively. What I feel is this card has come, which is Kundalini Shakti. Now, Kundalini Shakti works with two energies. One is the yin and the yang, the masculine and the feminine. Can you see? Have you ever seen that snake, a twisted snake, which normally shows the Kundalini? That is the masculine and the feminine energy. The masculine and the feminine energy over here, I feel you need to balance it. You really need to balance your Kundalini. Now, how do you balance your Kundalini? You have to work on your root chakra, okay, majorly. Root chakra is all about intimacy, materialistic things, your stability in your life. So somewhere you're very worried about stability in your life, and that is what Ma Kali is saying, that don't be in your head about everything. Just try to balance out things in your life. Balance out, like you can do an inner child healing by releasing all the trauma towards your mother and your father. That is how your energy will be balanced first. Secondly, you can do a root chakra meditation, Kundalini meditations, which will balance your energy. Also, Ma is saying that somewhere don't fear to take a leap of faith. If you are planning something new in your life, like a new job, new beginning, something new, I feel that it has been in your mind since a very long time, because I see this card also. So this card is all about, also I think you are always in your head that I want to do this, I want to do that, but you've never taken action, and you've been very closed, very fearful that if I move forward, something will go wrong. Nothing is going to go wrong. Remember that you are going to move forward. And Ma is saying be absolutely careless about it. You see the body language of Ma over here. Like, I don't care. I know I'm supported by my Kalima. I'm supported by the universe, and I can take a leap of faith every time, anytime. So if you are planning to, please go ahead. Whatever decision that you've been wanting to make since a very long time, Ma is supporting you in that decision. Ma is saying, don't worry about what people are going to say. Don't worry whether you will lose or you will win. You are going to take this leap of faith, and I am going to support you. That is what she's saying. Also, she wants you to just work on your stability, okay. By this step in life, probably you are going to gain your stability, and I see a very slow moving energy financially, but lot of finances and good things are coming. If you're looking for money, lots of money is coming in your life, but it will come very slowly, but for sure it will make you stable. All the fearful energy, all the inner child issues that that trigger you, and they work as blocks in your life, just try to remove them. Either go to a healer, or you yourself can overcome them by telling yourself that this does not exist anymore in my life, okay. So Ma is saying, be absolutely sure that you're getting my support. Just take a step and move forward, and don't worry about anything. Let people say what they want to say, you just move forward. Awesome reading. Awesome, awesome. I really liked it. So let's see what we have for you in pile 2. That is the clear quartz orgonite. The two Ma Kali card that I have removed for card 2 is, one is Dakshina Kali and one is Nitya Kali. Okay, I'll show you both the cards. This is Dakshina Kali and this is Nitya Kali. Nitya Kali, there is a yantra over here. So probably I feel intuitively that you need to keep Kali Ma's yantra in your mandir or your altar. Okay. You can, take advice from someone and then keep it. Secondly, I feel Dakshina Kali. Dakshina Kali is all about releasing your fear. Kalima is saying that why do you fear that this will happen, that will happen? Probably you are a person who's very sensitive and gets scared at a drop of a hat or every small thing. So don't fear, because Ma is saying that all your relationships up till now that have not worked, all the evil eye, all the struggle that you've had in your life, you are going to overcome all that. That is what Ma is saying. I see a lot of people around you, especially your family members and your friend circle. Okay. I feel that everything and anybody who has harmed you, has abandoned you. I see a lot of abandonment issues over here. And I also see that you have been very generous to a lot of people around you. You have done a lot for your friends, your family, everyone, and you felt that nobody did the same with you. So your giving and receiving has not been equal. Somewhere you have been giving, and there's nobody who stood up for you. There's nobody who actually did something for you which you thought that they would do and they would stand up for you. Nobody did. Dakshina Kali is saying that she is supporting you in everything. She's supporting you in cutting off all the toxic relationship. She's helping you to cut off. I can see her khadga literally cutting off all your toxic cycle that you've been going through up till now. She's cutting away all the negativity from your life. She's cutting away all the evil eye and black magic also. So just surrender to her and just tell her, Ma, now you are there for me. You are protecting me. I am just surrendering all my faith to you. I also feel that some kind of receiving is opening. Means you're going to receive. Up till now you were giving, but now you are going to receive. Okay, in the coming months, I feel there's a lot of abundance coming in your life. See, I can see the Empress card. You're going to be like this Empress sitting on your throne enjoying, and this will come around summer. Okay, this will come around summer. Wherever you are in your summer season, whichever country you're living in, whenever the summer season comes, there's a lot of abundance coming. If you're looking to have a baby, you will have a baby. If any negativity was stopping that, Ma is cutting off that negativity and giving you exactly what you had dreamt of. So your receiving is opening. You don't need to expect anything from anyone except Ma. Okay, remove all the toxic people who have always come in your life to use you and just to take advantage of you. So Ma is cutting off all those people from your life, and she's bringing a lot of abundance, happiness, prosperity in your life. So you have to accept, if you have been going through a cycle where you are losing people in your life, this is Ma's way to protect you. And if you feel stuck in a situation, you are now going to move forward, and she's asking you to just release all your fears and let go and trust the process. Just trust the process. Ma is protecting you in everything. So don't worry, just trust in her, believe in her, and surrender to her. Yeah, so this was 2 piles that I did, and I hope you like the reading. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video with family and friends, because sharing is very important. Other people also should benefit from this video. That's all for today. Hari Om Tat Sat.